In this problem, we're asked to determine whether or not each relation represents a function, and then if it is a function, we're going to state its domain and range. So when you're going to look for something, if it's a function, and you're given a set of ordered pairs, the key thing that you're going to want to look for is if any of the x coordinates repeat. In our first example, we have the ordered pairs 2, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, and 8, 8. Looking just at the x coordinates, I see that none of them repeat. So this will be a function. So for this function, its domain will be the set of all the x coordinates. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, and 8. And its range will be all of the y coordinates, which will be 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to use the set braces to contain those elements and just put commas in between them. So for part B, looking at that one, determine if that is a function. Looking at the x coordinates, I have 1, 4, -3, and 1. Well, there's a problem. I already said 1 in the first ordered pair, and now I'm saying it again, and it's paired with a different y coordinate. That's exactly what a function cannot do. You cannot have the same x coordinate paired with more than one y coordinate. So this one is not a function. And because of that, I will not need to find the domain and range. All right, so for part C, this one we're not given ordered pairs, we're given a graph. So for graphs, we're going to want to maybe use the vertical line test. And for part C, you can see we have a sideways opening parabola opening up to the right. And this one will fail the vertical line test. So all I need to do is come up with one example where it fails. And here's an example. Here's a vertical line that will intersect my parabola at more than one point. So because this one fails the vertical line test, and you weren't asked to justify it, but this is the language that we use. We would say it fails the vertical line test. So this one is not a function. And then finally for this last one, this one will pass the vertical line test. So this one will be a function. And its domain will be from -infinity to infinity. And its range will be from, all right, the lowest x or y coordinate on here is 2. So I'll have a bracket on there because it does actually obtain 2, and it will go to +infinity.